In this video, I will break down the examples of Blitz model and other confluences I have used for narrative, okay? So every credit goes to the MMXM trader because he's the master, right? And everything I've learned is from his concept. Okay, so let's get into the video. All right, so here you can see that it has the daily fair value gap, right? And it has the wick below and closure above, right? And what is the third candle? The third day, open, low, high, close, and it took the external range liquidity, right? And in the H1 time frame, we have this hourly FEG, which is the first FEG presented here with SMT. Actually, this was in the PM session, okay? So we are already in the daily distribution channel, right? And we just need H1 FEG, H1 previous candle run, M15 stop hunt, or M15 FEG. So in this case, it has everything, I guess, okay? Now, yeah. Here you can see that it has this SMT here at PM session, right? So 1 PM just has this manipulation phase. And yes, LTP plus ITP aligned the key level, right? Here we got this 5-minute order block. And in the 1-minute time frame, this is a market maker buy model here. Original consolidation, accumulation phases, right? The mitigation blocks, SMT, and then that comes the reversal, right? And this change in the state of delivery, and you can see that there is a displacement, this inversion fair value gap, and the order block too, right? So down close candles support this price higher, propulsion blocks. That's our distribution, and exactly the relative equal highs here, right? You can see that relatively equal these highs. Okay, so that's our next example here. So this is the ES chart, which has a daily FEG, right? And yes, look at this price action. We have this hourly FEG, right? And SMT at this internal range of liquidity, right? And below the midnight opening price, and you can see that it has the relative equal highs. And in the M5 time frame, we have this SMT again. So it's SMT accumulation. Never mind. Okay, so we got this change in the state of delivery with the FEG. That is the longs. And again, later at the New York session, it's actually 12 PM here. Obviously before the PM session, the lunchtime, okay? So we have the hourly FEG, right? Previous H1 candle run within the 10 AM 4-hour candle, right? And then we have this open, low, high, close off and 1 PM candle. So on the M15 time frame, you can see that it has key level and the stop hunt. So SMT accumulation, we have this double purge, right? Remember the concept of double purge from the MMXM trader. That's a good move here until this is out of the session, actually. Yeah, this is a valid model, but only the time is missing. All right, so you can see that it has this FEG, right? Displacement FEG with change in the state of delivery, and then expansion, deep retracement into discount FEG. And yes, that is our distribution. All right, so this is a recent example here. So we got this 4-hour swing point here. We took the previous day high, which is the Wednesday high, I think so. Yeah. Right. And then the candle closures here. We are clearly in this 4-hour distribution candle above weekly opening price. And this is the sell side liquidity, range high and range low, right? So in the H1 time frame, we have this SMT at the key level, right? And clearly this is in the distribution phase. So it just opened up, right? Just opened up and then created a high here, the 6 AM candle. So there's 15-minute time frame here, which had a stop hunt. You can see the same double purge, low broken and then the high SMT. That is our lower time frame entry on the 3-minute, right? 3-minute inversion FEG. And notice there's a smaller range, right? And this being held in consolidation, which led to the larger expansion. So SMT at the highs, 9:30, 8:30 actually manipulated here, right? and 9:30 did the distribution phase. Okay, so much lower time frame here on the 1 minute. You can see that these PD arrays are really important because we have this correct narrative. So that is it, guys. So if you just combine these things together, okay, and if you just watch the Blitz model from the MMXM trader, you can find profitability. I'll guarantee you that. Okay, with the risk reward of 1:3. Okay, just reverse engineer these trades. I'll give you the link in the description. Just reverse engineer these trades. And if you are actually not familiar with the Blitz model, you can watch it from the MMXM trader on the MMXM trader channel. All right, so see you later. Bye.